Okay, today I'm going to give you a quick overview of our 5S audit software. Here's a really great example to add to your lean toolkit. So it starts with the dashboard here. You can see that there's a standard dashboard, gives you the number of audits and some of the key KPIs for your 5S audit. This shows the trend in your scores on the audits, and you've got the different areas: sort, set, shine, standardize, and sustain, and your average score by area. The way that you enter your audits, it's really quite simple. You just add a new audit record. I'm going to open one that I already filled out here. And basically the way it works is who's the auditor, the department, the date, and then you start, you're down the 5S's, your sort, there's the unnecessary items, ragtag items sitting around. So basically in this case is the area clean, and you say it needs to have consistent setup, and you can add whatever suggestions you want here. Same with set. You just set the different levels. You'll see that it automatically calculates for you, and you add your comments and suggestions. All the way down, you add your 5S's. You can either add files or anything else you want into the process. You save the record, and that then rolls up and calculates in your dashboard. Now, one of the other things you can do is you can add actions for your team. So if you want the team to do something specifically, you can add the action, set the dates, assign people to the team. It's quite straightforward, and that way they'll get notified via email. And now you're getting things done that need to be done on your actions. There's also an app description here, which tells you about 5S audits, how they work, how to do what you need to do with the app. And finally, one of the coolest features is this AI Insights. And what you do here is you can ask any question to your data, in this case in the 5S audit, and it will provide you an answer and a beautiful report on that question. So I just asked it for a general report, and it goes through and provides the different metrics it finds interesting. One of the cool things it'll do is it'll lay out areas of concern. Sustain is your weakest area, 1.44. Strengths are, in sort. And then it will give you suggested actions and how to leverage your strengths, etc., and any other additional information you need. You can also change anything you want in the app by clicking the editor, and this will take you into the editor where you can add, you'll basically see your app here on the right, and then you can ask any changes are down here on the left. It's really quite easy, and you don't have to know coding or anything. Enjoy.